The Yonder M1 Cordless Vacuum impresses with its powerful 48,000 Pascal suction capability, driven by a robust 550-watt brushless motor, making it ideal for deep cleaning tasks. With a remarkable runtime of up to 65 minutes on a single charge, the vacuum's detachable battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, perfect for extensive cleaning jobs. The innovative anti-tangle brushroll significantly reduces maintenance efforts by preventing hair from getting tangled, making it especially beneficial for pet owners. Equipped with a green LED searchlight and a highly maneuverable floor brush, the vacuum easily illuminates and reaches hidden dust under furniture, providing comprehensive cleaning coverage. User-friendly features like the upright standing design and thumb-controlled mode switching make the vacuum convenient to operate, catering to both novice and experienced users. The advanced 7-layer filtration system effectively captures 99.97% of fine dust and allergens, promoting a healthier home environment.